Hello, my beautiful friends. Today, I'll show you a powerful Japanese youth trick, anti-aging and brightening face masks that work like magic for glowing, smooth skin. Subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. We'll begin with a simple base, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, which deeply hydrates, softens, and gently exfoliates your skin, and 1 tablespoon of potato starch, known for its brightening and lifting effect. Mix until smooth. Apply this base to your clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Now, let's prepare 6 powerful mask variations using this base. First recipe, gentle brightening. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of the base, 1/2 teaspoon of rice flour. Benefits: this mask gently exfoliates, brightens dull skin, and improves overall texture. How to use: apply a generous layer to your clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Massage gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, write in the comments and tell us where you're watching from. Second recipe, toning and glow boost. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of the base, 1/2 teaspoon of instant coffee. Benefits: this mask tones the skin, stimulates circulation, and adds a healthy glow. How to use: apply to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you like this recipe, like the video, comment, and share it with a friend. Third recipe, deep nourishment. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of the base, 1/2 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Benefits: this mask deeply nourishes dry skin, smooths fine lines, and restores elasticity. How to use: apply evenly to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Pat dry and apply your favorite cream. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Fourth recipe, protection and glow. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of the base, a few drops of vitamin E, Benefits: this mask helps protect skin from free radicals, enhances glow, and smooths fine lines. How to use: apply generously to clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe. More natural beauty secrets are on the way. Fifth recipe, brightening and even tone. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of the base, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Benefits: this mask brightens dull skin, helps reduce dark spots, and evens out skin tone. How to use: apply a thin layer to your clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water, then splash with cool. Use in the evening 1 to 2 times a week. Be sure to apply sunscreen the next morning. Sixth recipe, detox and clarity. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of the base, 1 tablet of activated charcoal, crushed. Benefits: this mask detoxifies the skin, tightens pores, and promotes a clearer complexion. How to use: apply evenly to clean skin, including face, neck, chest and hands. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Pat dry and moisturize. Use once or twice a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. Thanks for watching.